Hello and welcome to Go at Home. Today we're preparing something that's something you'd like to prepare for the outdoors, for picnic. We're preparing kebab, and we'll be using, of course, a good tenderloin. No? It's been cleaned, tinanggal na yung mga litid niya. So, first thing na gagawin natin is we'll cut up our meat. No? Siyempre, i-skewer natin sa mas maganda kung yung pag-cut natin ng meat natin yung medyo malalaki. I want na malaki yung meat natin. Yan. Siguro around this size would be good, no? Natin. Ano, para maganda siya pag binarbecue mo siya. And then pag mas a big part na siya, we can cut it big and then cut it in half. Yun. And then sa isang skewer, you have mga 2 or 3 pieces of meat. Sakto na yan. Talagang isang skewer lang. Solve na solve yan. In fact, itong kebab na ganito, minsan masarap to instead of rice. Masarap to kung meron tayong pita. Pita bread, it's the best. Talaga, huwag kong titipirin talaga itong yung pag gumawa ka ng magandang klase yung mga pagkain. You'll be serving this with your friends and your family, so give them big slices. Let them enjoy your food. Yan. Okay. Good. And then we'll put spices to this. Yun. Ang kebab pala, nag-originate to sa Turkey. No, and then yung mga warriors dati, yung mga meat nila, kung di man beef ang ginagamit, usually, kebab is really famous na ang ginagamit na is lamb. So, ang method na ng pagluto, yung mga swords nila, doon na sinasaksak yung meat, tapos yun mismo ginagamit nila para magluto sila ng skewer nila ng kebab. Kasi yun, kakainin nila. And then this best, gawa natin ito naman ng sauce. You can either use chimichurri, no, yung slice ng mga spices, or you can use yogurt with garlic. So yogurt with garlic ang gagamitin natin. Now, lagyan natin ng spices. We'll put in paprika. Good. And then lagyan natin ng chili seasoning. Oh. Okay. So chili seasoning. And then cumin. Yun. Itong cumin, ito nagde-determine ng ibang lasa ng ng kebab natin, ng barbecue. Wow, sarap. Okay. And then put in lots of black pepper. We'll make this a little spicy. Okay. There. And then we have some cayenne. May cayenne pepper tayo dito. Yun. Naubusan ako ng malaking pack eh. So, naghanap ako ng maliit. Meron ng ground cayenne. Yun. Ito maanghang to. Yun. Let it be spicy. And then, put in some salt. Okay. I'll use Doña Elena extra virgin olive oil para sa kebab natin. Right? There you go. One. Okay, good. Mag-chop tayo ng rosemary natin. Okay. There you go. Okay, haluin natin. Haluin natin ng mabuti. Nice. Lagyan ba natin ng olive oil? Ganda ng panahon ngayon, no? Ganda. It's a really good time to do barbecue, no? Kebab tayo. Yan. Nice. Okay. Then we have vegetables like zucchini. Ito yung lalagyan natin sa skewer natin. Yan. Yan. You don't need to take out the skin. As is, pwede mong kainin yung zucchini natin. And then, gawin natin para maganda yung colors natin, no? We'll use bell pepper. Yan. Okay. Pwede mo siya dyan. Clean it up. Mga tira-tira yan. Napakal yun. So habang niluluto ka, para maganda ng sa snack na ng gulay. And then, yung sibuyas natin, gagawin i-quarter lang natin yung onions natin. And skin it. Yeah. Okay. Like that. Take out the roots. And then quarter lang. Yun. Yun na yun. Yun lang. And then gagamit tayo lagyan natin ng chili para manghang. Masarap talaga pag manghang yung kebab. Ganun talaga yung mga kebab, manghang. Saka hindi masyado manghang to. Very very mild yung heat nito. Sige. Okay. So we have all our ingredients ready. As tomatoes, nandito na. Yun. Na-prepare na natin lahat. So just keep it in front of you para nakaayos na siya, no? So that you do not forget yung mga gagamitin mo. So this is called mise en place. Alright? Ngayon, iisipin mo, paano mo siya ipipresent na maganda? So unahin natin to. Unahin natin yung zucchini. There you go. Zucchini tayo. Nice. Careful. Yan. Okay. And then, lalagyan natin yung meat natin. Nandyan si meat. Yan. Okay. Then meat. Yan. And then, lagyan natin ng onions. Yun. Si onions. Ganda. Then, lagyan natin ng chili sa gitna. Yan. Then, another piece of beef. Okay. Yan. Tapos, bell pepper. Red and green. Ganda ng color, di ba? And then, at the end, lagyan ng tomato. Yan. So, that is our kebab. Okay, this is what we're going to grill in a while. So, we're done doing our kebab. Na-skewer na natin siya. Ganda na itsura niya. No? Ito mamaya, i-grill natin yan. And then, in the meantime, while I'm finishing my charcoal, gagawa muna ako ng pinaka-sauce niya. Yan, yogurt. Uy, tignan natin kung gaano ba ito. Kasi usually, minsan may mga yogurt na matamis, minsan hindi. So, I'll try this one. It's a bit on the sweet side. Yun. Gamit natin lahat. Okay, good. Put this Yan, ganun lang, oh. Yan. We grate it. Yan. When you grill your kebab, gusto mo lang na maluto lang ng konti yung veggies, and that's it. And then you want your meat to be medium to, yeah, don't make it medium well. Make it medium to medium rare lang. Sarap eh. Yun. Lots of pepper. Go, and some salt. Put some cayenne pepper para manghang siya. Ito si Carlo. Sila yung owner na Sotowaki restaurant dito. They also sell shawarma. So meron silang pita bread. Meron din silang roti. One of the best rotis na natikman ko in the country comes from Sotowaki. Yun.
Ganun ba?
Ganun talaga.
Ganun ba? Thank you nga.
So, ano to? Ganito lang or iinit na natin ng konti?
Basically, ganun.
Ganito lang siya. Sige. Yung iba kasi ininit ko eh. But nevertheless, however you want it, sige. So ito yung kebab natin. I prepared this with using tenderloin, no? Tapos may konting spices tayo. Lalagyan natin ng konting olive oil. Yan. Yes, ambush to. Hindi mo kailangan mag-makeup dito. Ha? Oh, ha?
Go naman.
Go.
Sabi magkain.
Then I prepared garlic yogurt. Okay? So, tigisa tayo. That's yours.
So what I'm gonna do is just put it here.
Yeah.
And just
Ayan. And then,
pull lang.
yes, pull. That's it. And then, yogurt sauce.
Okay.
Yan, sige. Pull. Yun. Yan na yogurt sauce dito.
Good sauce. Thank you, Kong.
And then, we can enjoy it just like that. Wrap.
Wrap and bite.
Bite.
Alright. Wow.
Ang lalaki namin mga tao dito.
Very good.
Good.
Yeah.
Then yung meat, local meat lang to. Tender lang ba? I bought it sa Belcris. It's imported meat pero locally available dito sa atin. Cooked medium rare. Perfect with the pita bread.
Pita bread.
If wala kayong pita bread, you can eat this with regular white rice or basmati rice, no? Or fried rice.
Fried rice, yeah. Then mix it up. Ganun lang eh.
Ba?
Good.
This is the beauty of cooking, no? You enjoy what you're doing. You savor it with your friends, no? And enjoy it and share it with your family. So, thank you for coming over. Thank you for the pita bread.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you for joining us right here in Goma Tum. This is Carlo Baldonado, Richard Gomez. We'll see you next time.
Gumaganda ang buhay.
Thank you.